everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are enjoying this weekend. So I have purchased a few things from this sale and I'm gonna show you what I have purchased. I went to Zara and I also went to Sephora. Sephora was not on my plan, but I saw there was a shop. Everyone was shopping from Sephora, so I went there and I shopped little bit, not too much product, but those are really amazing. And so I'm gonna go ahead and start my video right now, right here. So yeah, so let's get started. So the first thing which I have purchased is Paperback Jeans, which is really amazing. This is the bag, and yes, I have also went to that place called Winners, and so this is the pant, guys. This is really amazing. This has elastic here on the waist, and I have purchased it 36 euro and for US size, and I don't know what it is 26. So I was not sure, like they were not allowing everyone to go for trial because of this coronavirus. That's why I was a little confused with 36 or 38. So 38 was looking quite big for me. That's why I have purchased this 36 because I saw it looks little good. Like I sense that this will go perfect on me, so I'm going to give you try on for this one. This is the only thing which I have purchased from Zara. That's it. When I was checking online, it was on sale, but they told me it is not on sale, so I have purchased it 49 point some dollar. So this is a very expensive jeans for me. Not exactly expensive. This is $49. What it is, like how much? It's like 2,500 around. So the next thing which I have purchased is Sephora. This is Sephora, and a few things here. So the first thing which I am going to show you is this foundation. This is a Smudgebox Studio Skin 24 hours wear hydrating foundation. This is oil free and very hydrating foundation, and it will give you flawless skin for 24 hours. And I am with the shade 3. So I'm going to show you. This is the packaging. You will get the a glass bottle. This is very white for me, I think. So this is the shade. This is very hydrating. It won't feel like you are having any kind of foundation on your face. This is kind of moisturizer. So I really like the texture of this foundation. I think I have picked wrong shade, because as you can see, this is quite looking white here. So I think I should go with a darker shade. So I will see if I can change it, and after that only I will give you a review on this one. So the next thing which I'm going to show you is this Smudgebox Always On Liquid Lip Set. The color shade light chestnut, warm berry, yellow red, deep warm, and its name is Yes Honey, Role Model, Bang Bang, and Misconduct. Okay, let's start. This is the box you will get, and you have to open it like this. So, and from here, and this is kind of tiffin box sort of box you will get, and this is the shade. it is on sale, it is on like value package, value lip set. So I have purchased this one. So this costed me $33. So I will give you the swatches on my next video. So I'm just here to show you what I have purchased on this sale. Next thing which I have purchased is this Laneige lip sleeping mask. So let me see what you will get inside this box. Okay, so you will get this box, lip balm box, and you will get this spatula. This is very beautiful, very cute spatula. Okay, so you have to use it with the help of this, so like this. So you have to keep your spatula in this small cute bag. So this is Laneige box. So this is the next thing which I have purchased. This is from Too Faced Born This Away concealer. So this is the shade Natural Beige. Okay, so I have purchased the smaller one. I don't want to waste so much money on concealer because I have lots of concealer. So this is a very decent quality you will get in smaller size, so you don't need to purchase bigger one. So basically I have purchased this shade for highlight my under eyes. So this is the consistency you will get. This is really good and thick and very pigmented. The next thing is this Glam Glow Brightening Treatment Mask. I think they should provide the spatula what they provided in this box, so that you don't need to put your hand for applying on your face. So that could be more hygienic. So this is the product. So it says that it's Hollywood, California Glam Glow Brightening Treatment. So it has little granule in it, you can see. So you have to scrub it first, and after that you have to leave it on your face for 20 minutes. And like if you rub it on your face and you have to leave it for like 20 minutes, and it will absorb on your face and it looks transparent, and after that you have to wash your face. This is the way how you can use this Glam Glow Brightening Treatment. So after that I went to Winners and I have purchased two things from there. The first thing which I purchased is this. This is really looking very fancy sort of, and it has very bright color. It looks unicorn color. So I have purchased, it has 6 brush, and I have purchased it for my eye makeup. And you will also get this bag. Let me show you. So this is the bag which you get in this. This is the brushes. So these are the brush you will get. So this is really amazing. This is really beautiful. This looks very fancy. The brushes is also very nice, very thick, not very low quality. So I have purchased this. So basically it will go here inside this bag and you will love. It's not going inside. Yeah, it's good. So yeah, so if you are traveling you can get your brushes with you, and this is really easy to get your eye makeup brush. So this is amazing. So the next thing which I have purchased is this. This is for face roller, for eye roller, and for wrinkle. This is for wrinkles or fine lines. So basically I am very into skincare routine these days. So I have purchased this 3 roller. this has little bit, you can say poking kind of stone, and this is for eyes and this is for your face. So basically what you need to do is you have to pick the this one, and you have to connect this stick with all these roller one by one. So I will also make a video where I'm going to show you how you can use this tool. This is really important. You have to include these Zara rollers in your skin routine. This, if you use it every day, like every day without fail, it will give you result. I have purchased it from Winners, and these costed me $90, and this one is $9. So these are really amazing. I love the color. This, and one more thing I just want to tell you guys, previously I was using green Zara roller, but if you use pink one, pink Zara roller is a symbol of love, attraction and beauty. So it will give you aesthetic look, like it will create aesthetic look to your face. So please tell me which product you like the most. So please comment me down below, and please follow me on my Instagram because I am making lots of beautiful content over there as well. Yeah, that's it. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.